Hi friends, I'm Rajnikant. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear friends, today I'm going to dictate the answers from the textbook Class 11 English Snapshots Chapter 3 Ranga's Marriage. Let's begin with the questions from the textbook and their answers. Question 1. Comment on the influence of English, the language and the way of life on Indian life as reflected in the story. What is the narrator's attitude to English? Dear guys, its answer. The story reflects the old lifestyle of India when only a few people knew English. Those knew it never used it words while speaking Kannada. In those olden days, people were simple and did the same like flock of sheep. The narrator was the true admirer of his village Hosahali. He was very cultured and caring, but believed in respecting his own mother tongue. He used English when required only. He was also feeling delighted while narrating that no one could notice village people conversing in English in every street of Hosahali during holidays. Question 2. Astrologers' perceptions are based more on hearsay and conjecture than what they learn from the study of the stars. Comment with reference to the story. Dear guys, its answer. Most of the astrologers depend either on the basis of the hearsay or on the basis of the information collected from their client. The innocent client feels that his astrologer is reading his stars, but in fact, the crooked fellows robs innocent faces. The same happens in the story when Shyam, the narrator, tutors Shastri to vomit the mugged up facts in front of Rangappa that Ratna would be the only suitable match for him according to his star cast. The poor Ranga listened to his heart and married Ratna because of the dramatic mockery played by Shyam and Shastri. He got so influenced that he named his son Shyam after the narrator. Question 3. Indian society has moved a long way from the way the marriage is arranged in this story. Discuss. Dear guys, its answer. In today's world, each and every Indian is well qualified and cultured. As knowledge is increasing, same the expectations or version is getting wider. The deep thought was there in the narrator's mind, which gave origin to the story. Narrator has plotted the whole drama to make Ranga realize the marriageable age and how to choose a right partner. He knocked at Rangappa's heart and he welcomed Ratna in. If narrator had asked simply and proposed for Ratna, Ranga might have run away, telling so many ifs and buts. Question 4. What kind of a person do you think the narrator is? Dear guys, its answer. The today's self-centered, fast word no one pains for the others. But the narrator is different man. He not only devotes his time but also selflessly plans for Ranga's marriage. In fact, he extends a mature and experienced help to tender heart and immature mind of Ranga in choosing a right life partner. As a reward of his selfless deed, Ranga named his son Shyam after the narrator's name. Some extra questions from the chapter. Question 1. Why is the village Hosahali unknown to the world according to the narrator? Its answer. Hosahali is a small, very small village in Mysore state. The map makers do not have any information about it, so they can't put it on the map. Question 2. Who sent his son to Bangalore and what for? Its answer. The village accountant had sent his son Ranga or Rangappa to the city of Bangalore for further study. There was no schooling in better spirit there. Question 3. Narrate the disgraceful episode showing the result of using English by Ramarajan. Its answer. One day Ramarao's family bought a bundle of firewood. His son asked the woman how much he should pay her. The woman said 4 pice. The boy told her that he didn't have any change and asked her to come the next morning. The poor woman did not understand the English word change and went away muttering to herself. The narrator could not know. Later on, when he went to Ranga's house and asked him, then he understood what it had meant. Question 4. Why was Ranga's homecoming a great event? Dear guys, its answer. Ranga returned the village after having educated in Bangalore. The village had a regard for him. They rushed to see doorsteps to have a closer look at the village boy who had come from the city. The innocent people rejoiced the return of Ranga and celebrated his homecoming. Question 5. What made Ratna come out from his house and spread a smile on his face? Dear guys, its answer. See the question once more. What made Ranga come out from his house and spread a smile on his face? Dear guys, its answer. As soon as a large crowd of people gathered before the doorstep of Ranga's house, he came out with a smile on his face. He was the same person in attitude He respected the elders and waved his hand in regard. Question 6. What made the narrator attract towards Ranga? Its answer. The crowd dispersed after having known that Ranga was still the same boy. The narrator stepped a foot and asked how Ranga was. Ranga noticed him, came near and did a namaskar respectfully. He bent low to touch the narrator's feet. It attracted him towards. Question 7. Why was Ranga against getting married early? Its answer. To Ranga, one should marry a girl who is mature. Moreover, a man should marry a girl he admires. How one can admire a girl with the milky stains on one side of her face and wetness on the other? Question 8. Why was the narrator determined to get Ranga married soon? Its answer. The narrator was distressed that the boy, who he thought would make a good husband, had decided to remain a bachelor. After chatting for a little longer, Ranga left. The narrator made up his mind that he would get him married soon. Question 9. Who was Ratna? What were his hobbies? Its answer. Ratna was Ramarao's niece, whose parents had died. Ramarao took the girl to the village. She had a passion for music. She knew how to play the veena and the harmonium. Moreover, she has a sweet voice. Question 10. As soon as Ranga stepped the narrator's house, his legs stopped at the doorstep. Why? Its answer. Ratna was singing a song in the narrator's room when Ranga stepped the doorway. He had been invited by the narrator himself deliberately. He stopped. He did not want the singing to stop, but was curious to see the female singer. Question 11. Why did the narrator tell a lie about Ratna to Ranga when they met first time? Its answer. In order to excite and make him curious, the narrator told a lie that Ratna had been married. He wanted to know how much it would affect Ranga. Question 12. What effect did telling a lie by the narrator on Ranga? Its answer. As soon as the narrator told Ranga that Ratna was married, Ranga's face shriveled like a roasted brinjal. He wanted to leave the room on same pretext that he had some work at home. Question 13. For what did the narrator meet Shastri? Its answer. The narrator had gone to Shastri's to tutor him about Ranga and Ratna's relation. Focused. He made Shastri speak whatever he himself wanted to tell. Question 14. How was the drama played on Ranga? With what result? Dear guys, its answer. Shastri ji made Ranga believe that the stars would match both of them in their tie-up. Ranga married Ratna and started following the family way. Dear guys, it was all for today. Hope you must have enjoyed this video. Keep watching and supporting me. Hope you must have liked it. And if you have liked it, please press the like button and do subscribe my channel in order to get more notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye.